Most people work 40 years for retirement. Yet 60% die before enjoying it. Let that sink in for a second. 4 decades of alarm clocks, commutes, and bills. Only to have your golden years stolen. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need a fortune to retire early. You don't need to win the lottery either. What you need is a smarter approach. One that uses time, not luck, to your advantage. Today, I'm revealing exactly how it's done. Step by step, without unrealistic, make a million promises. If you follow this, your 60s will feel like vacation. Not a continuation of your 9-to-5 grind. Step 1. Redefine what retirement means. Most people think retirement means being rich. But true retirement means freedom from mandatory work. You don't need $5 million to achieve that. You just need enough passive income for your lifestyle. This is called lean financial independence. Instead of aiming for luxury, aim for security. Calculate your real expenses for a comfortable life. Not your Instagram lifestyle, your real life. You'll see the number is smaller than you think. Example: if you can live comfortably on $2,500 per month, that's $30,000 a year in income needed. If investments generate that, you're technically retired. Step 2. Crush debt like your life depends on it. Debt is the biggest retirement killer. Especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Every dollar you owe is future freedom you've sold. Aggressively pay off consumer debt first. Use the avalanche method for maximum speed. Pay extra toward the highest interest debt. Once it's gone, roll payments into the next one. By eliminating debt, you lower your retirement cost, because you remove monthly liabilities permanently. Step 3. Save at a high rate. Early savings have superpowers. $10,000 saved at age 25 grows to over $160,000 by age 65. And that's without adding another penny. The trick: save aggressively in your 20s and 30s. Aim for 30-50% of your income if possible. If that sounds insane, remember, this is temporary. Your goal is to buy back your time early. Automate savings so you don't forget. Send money directly to investment accounts. What you don't see, you won't spend. Step 4. Build income streams that pay while you sleep. One income is dangerous. Multiple incomes give you freedom. Start with simple passive income sources: dividend stocks, rental properties, or digital products. Or start a side hustle that scales without you. Example: an online course or ebook can sell 24/7. A rental home can pay you monthly. Dividend-paying stocks give quarterly checks. Each stream lowers the time to retirement. Step 5. Relocate or downsize. Strategically retiring early is easier if life costs less. You can live like a king in some countries, on half what you'd spend in the US or UK. This is called geo-arbitrage. You earn in a strong currency, spend in a cheaper one. Even within your own country, moving from a high-cost city to a lower-cost area can slash expenses by 30-50%. Step 6. Ignore the bigger lifestyle trap. Every raise you get is a test. Most people fail it instantly. Instead of upgrading cars, houses, or gadgets, use raises to increase investments. This accelerates your retirement clock. Example: if you get a $5,000 raise, invest the whole amount. In 10 years, it could be $80,000 plus. Step 7. Understand the 4% rule. The 4% rule says, if you withdraw 4% of your investments yearly, your money should last for decades. Example: if you need $30,000 per year to live, you need $750,000 invested to retire. This is far from millionaire territory, and achievable even on an average income, if you start early and stay consistent. Step 8. Practice mini retirements. Before full retirement, why wait 40 years to enjoy life? Take smaller breaks every few years. Work for 5 years, take 6 months off. Travel, learn, explore, then return refreshed. These trial runs prove you can live well, on less, and without full-time work. Closing remark: the biggest lie about retirement is that it's far away. But with the right habits, it could be 10-15 years from now. You don't need luck. You don't need millions. You need focus, discipline, and a plan. Your future self is watching you right now, asking, will you waste decades or take control?